Hello YouTubers. Today is going to show you folks that I have beefed up my 16-inch service bucket, and it's been on a few jobs here and there, and also attempted to dig up a couple of tree stumps, which is pretty tough for a small bucket like this. But on the other hand, it's been holding up pretty well. The width is just about 16-inch, so it's great for all your plumbing, water, sewer, storms. It's designed for 4-inch, which is most household takes 4-inch PVC pipes for the service and the water. So this can really help saving you a lot of backfill material, and also it's pretty handy. This one is on the quick touch coupler, and I can show you what I have done before. I don't have this piece, so this bucket stops right here where the stress is right on this point, so they pushed in. You can see it's a little bit pushed in, but since then I extended to this piece, which is another piece of angle iron, sit on the corner of this bucket, so the stress will become from here pushing down to the tips. So now this one will not be compromised by heavy digging. And also I beefed up all those vulnerable areas. This plate, which is a 3/8 or 7/16, should be extended right to the rims. So a sidewall should be able to take some stress, but instead I just have that less material. So the wall, the bucket inside wall, it's not very thick. I think it's about a 1/4 inch or even less than 1/4 inch, like it's 3/8. So, and then I added the called abrasive bars. So this way they'll take lots of wear and tears to get this bucket worn out. Anything else remained the same. Has been super happy, and all built from scrapped material. I believe the metal itself cost me zero, zap, including this hook. It doesn't cost me anything. It's from another old chain. So now I put a permanent, the pins belongs to this bucket because I have made all my bucket or the other attachment to a quick exchange with my coupler. So folks, next video will be introducing a little bit more about these couplers.